Hey guys, what's up? We're back here on a good looking afternoon. Welcome to the Best of Butch. Got a little bit going on. But before we get started, while you're watching this video, why don't you go down there and hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Alright, here's what we got. Jess was coming home from school and dang, she had a flat tire. Well guys, I don't know if a lot of young'uns nowadays know how to change a tire. So if you was out on the side of the road, you'd have to come in here in your truck, walk around here and show you. She got a truck. You got a truck or a car, you're going to find your jack. Her jack is right under here. But since she's at home, we're not going to use that jack. We're going to use my floor jacks a little bit easier. But you also got to come around here and get your tools for that jack, because you're going to have to let the spur down on the truck to get the spur so we can use the spur. So the tools for the jack are right under here. We got this little deal. I done unscrewed it a little earlier so it wouldn't take so long. Now we're going to pull these out and get them ready. Alright, another thing I'm going to use, this way at home, I'm going to use what they call a four-way. I'm not going to use her tools. This is a little bit easier. So the first thing we're going to do, these are just little covers right here. We're going to take them off. They got cell phone, makes it so easy. Alright, that's just the hubcap. Now we got to take this thing, we're going to loosen these lug nuts. These are what they call lug nuts. And they probably put them on with the impact, so they're probably going to be tight. Alright, now that we got those loose, it's time to jack up the truck. Okay, let me see this. I'm going to use my floor jack, but even if you just have a floor jack, see the frame right here? That's where you want to position your jack and jack this truck up. You could get it under the wheel, but I don't think the jack will be tall enough to get on there. Alright, I'm going to get this situated and jack the car up. Oh. Oh. See if we can get the stand.
Oh.
Alright, we got it up off the ground. Now we're gonna finish taking these little nuts off. You wanna make sure you're at the level spot you can be at. That way it don't fall over on you. Right there. Don't want to lose your load nuts, just take them all off. Go faster, just 2 hands. No, not for a little bit.
Where's Bessie?
She's filming.
Think so.
The dogs are inside.
Okay.
This record's in back of your car.
Really? Yeah, don't let the dogs out.
Alright. Well, there's one flat tire. Now, we have got to get the spare. The spare's up underneath your car on most cars. So, we're going to go back here. I'm going to show you where the spare's at. Jesse's spare. We're at the back of her truck. And it's right there. That's a pretty good looking spare. So, we got a little key, we got to get access to it right there. Alright. So let me see if I find the key, what I did with them.
Do you want me to turn it off? Well, I need to go let the doggies out.
Alright guys. I don't know if you can see it real good, but right here is the access hole. Well, we just took that key out of that little slot. That's to keep people from stealing your spare. But you gotta have your tools that go to your car. And I don't remember which one it takes. We're just gonna try them and see. See if it takes that one. I'm gonna try something else. Let's see. Well, maybe we got it now. It's a little bit rusty on there. It wouldn't work. Let's see if it's gonna let it down. Alright, now we got it. What happened was, this end wouldn't fit. There's a little square deal in there like that the other end fit over. You just put it on there and you turn it. Now just take the camera under there and see if the tire's coming down.
Yeah.
You just gotta let it all the way down the ground. That way you can get it loose enough to get that little deal off. Gotta get that little cable off that's holding it.
You're almost all the way down.
I was trying to
Move
see
that black bag.
It's okay. I'm gonna fix the tire over.
You're about to hit me in the face.
Alright, let me get a little slack. That way I can get that out of there. I don't know what that other thing is on it. Alright, let me see what I got. Hold that. I want to hit you in the head. You get my glove. No, don't turn. Just come back up.
I
I'd like to
wasn't.
bust him in the face.
I was moving it.
I'd like to have been a mess. Well, I told you to hold it because I might need you to crank it.
I will. I'll put it back on there.
Alright, let's see here. I don't know what that's. Look like a dang gas deal. It's gas in your car. I have to look that up. This sucker ain't never been off here. Don't look like. Alright, Jesse, spin it down a little more. I might be able to pick up on the tire. Yeah, get it like this, Jesse, maybe.
Okay.
Gotta feed that back to there. Oh, put this in. Got that out there. Now, let's take this tire out of here and go put it on a cut truck. I don't think that tire's ever been on the road. Like a brand new tire it is. I don't think it's ever been used because that's got it. This is the original tire. This ain't the cheap tire they got. Ah. I'm gonna have to jack it up a little more. Watch out, Jesse. Oh, don't let that fall. Yeah. Coming off.
I think that's good.
Alright, let's get down here where I can see it.
You might have to lift it up. Why is there tape on it?
I don't know, it's just where they left it from the factory. Alright, now we're going to hand tighten these lug nuts. Alright, that's about all there is to changing the tire. Maybe this will help you out. So now we're going to put the flat tire and the hook cap in the back of the truck. And we're going to take it to the tire shop tomorrow and let them fix it and change it all back out. But first we're going to let the jack down. Now we're going to check to see how much air is in this tire. It don't look like it's ever been on the ground. Now about 16 pounds of air. We're going to put some air in there. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to load all this stuff up, clean up my mess. And before we get done, we're going to come around here. This little deal that held the spur up, we're going to crank it all the way back up. That way it ain't shaking and dragging the ground when we're going to the tire shop tomorrow. Alright, come here and show you now. Finish this up. You're going to have to get over here, I can't see. Alright guys, I hope that helped y'all out. Maybe it helped some of y'all that didn't know how to change the tire. So if you like this video, why don't you go down here, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Also leave me a comment. Let me know what y'all need to know or what I did wrong. Maybe I can change it on the next go around. Well, I hope this helped y'all out. And y'all have a great afternoon. And may God bless you. Bye.